Have a good day, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you for a chance. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Janet Monda, 41 years old from the Philippines. I am a single mother, blessed with having son and daughter ages 17 years old boy and 14 years old girl. I am a college undergraduate taking Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in farming system. I have work experience as domestic helper, nanny, and caregiver in the Saudi Arabia over 7 years in one employer. I serve 8 members of the family including a grandma, a couple, and 5 children. My responsibility are look after grandma ages 80 years old, but my main duty is taking care of 4 months old baby girl. I feed her, give vitamins and medicine if needed, change the diaper and bathing. While my duties in the other kids ages 3 years old, 5 years old, 8 years old, and 10 years old, I prepare and cook them healthy foods, teaching them basic English language, writing, reading, counting numbers, word spelling, identifying colors and shapes, storytelling, and sometimes play with them. Also, I do household chores such as tidying, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, laundry, ironing, cooking, and gardening. To my future employer, if you hired me, I will follow your rules and regulation as your worker. I will serve you as long as you need me and treat you like my own family. As a nanny, it is my responsibility to help the parents of the children with good behavior as well as develop their minds and teach them important things in their childhood that will benefit them as they grow up. I'm honest, trustworthy, patient, understanding, and dedicated to work so that I can ensure the safety of your family and children. I'm so excited to be part of your family and help your children to grow and learn. Thank you so much and see you!